everyone, welcome to a new vlog. I'm Jess. Thanks for watching. I am here in Tel Aviv, Israel today. I've wanted to go to Israel for so many years. Every time I meet someone from Israel, I'm like, oh, where in Israel are you from? And they're like, have you been to Israel? And I'm like, no, I haven't been to Israel, but I'd really like to go one day. But guess what? That day is today. I'm in Tel Aviv. I'm gonna go explore. I'm going on a walking tour of Jaffa this afternoon. Come along with me. I said the first thing I was going to do when I got to Tel Aviv was to eat some delicious hummus, and I was recommended the place that's meant to be the best for hummus in the entire city, which is called Abu Hassan. But apparently once they run out of hummus for the day, they close, and today they have run out of hummus. So on my way to the walking tour, I'm going to try and find some other hummus. There. So I've just ordered my first meal here. I didn't really know what I was getting. I just said I wanted something with hummus, and I wanted it to be good because it's my first meal in Israel. And look at what I've got. It is so good.
I can highly recommend taking yourself on one of the free afternoon walking tours around the old city of Jaffa. You get to see a lot of historical and religious sites of the city and learn interesting tidbits about the old trading port. The name Jaffa's makes so much more sense to me now.
So we're told if you put your hands on your star sign, look out at the Mediterranean and make a wish, your wish will come true. So I'm going to give that a go now. We finished the walking tour just in time to watch a beautiful sunset over the Mediterranean Sea. So today I've been taking a bit of a walk through the bustling streets here of Tel Aviv. It's been about a 3K walk and making my way from the hostel to the Sukkot Market. I'm gonna eat all the food.
In the Sukkot Market, I tried my first kanafa, and oh, it was yummy!
Is that small?
Smaller, of course. This is minimum. Didn't eat nothing. This you eat it. Don't worry. It's very good. You're gonna like.
Okay.
Pistachio, no problem for you.
No, that's fine.
This is kunafa. It's very special stuff. Sweet, Arabic sweet. I give it for this girl. She's gonna try it.
This is really sweet and really yummy. I'm pretty sure I definitely got ripped off because I just paid 20 shekels. I'm gonna go stand there and see how much other people pay. But it's good.
In the end, I didn't really mind if I got ripped off because that kanafa ended up lasting me quite a few days and I ate it after each meal in the hostel. Is it possibly one of the greatest desserts on earth? Maybe.
Now that I'm done at the market, I'm going to go and try some of the most famous ceviche in the city at a place that I think is called ceviche, so let's find out.
When I got to the ceviche shop, there was about a 15-minute lineup for food because it's just that highly recommended and popular with locals and tourists alike. The ceviche is a vegetarian pita made with crispy eggplant, egg, lots of salads, and a delicious big dollop of tahini on top.
Oh. I'm going to take my first bite of this here. I'm not really sure how to tuck into this, but it's going to be good. I think my favourite thing about this ceviche is that it really heroes my favourite vegetable of all time, the greatest vegetable that there is, eggplant. There's people lining up at this store for days to get this ceviche. I found the perfect way to travel around Israel, and it's these Lime scooters. I jumped on the app, I downloaded the app, I put $10 of Australian credit on, and for only half a shekel a minute, which is about 25 cents Australian a minute, I can ride this bad boy home. After the market, I'd walk to the market in the morning, but now it's so hot in the middle of the day and I'd eaten so much delicious food, I was walking back and struggling to make it, but this bad boy saved my life.
Israel is not a cheap country to travel in, so I stayed at the cheapest hostel I could find, which turned out to be really cool. Overstay Backpackers, 10 minutes outside of Old Jaffa.
So I'm so excited. I'm about to go out for my first night out properly in Tel Aviv. Last night I was way too jet lagged to go out. I went to bed at like 11 o'clock. But I want to go to a pub crawl, which is about 3 k's away where it starts. And based on my love of the Lime scooters from today, I'm going to go and try and find a Lime scooter to get to the destination.
Pulled up on your mom just for a little bit of food, and then she's putting me in a room. Wait, what? Sorry that I'm rude. Baby, yes, I know some flexions. Other words, that's what stress. This so people say either game.
My next stop in Israel was going to be in Eilat, all the way down in the south of the country, bordering Egypt, Jordan, and the Red Sea. I'm Jess, and that's it for Tel Aviv. If you did like this vlog, please remember to hit subscribe on my channel, turn on those notifications so you don't miss a single video, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm on my way to Eilat now, so I'll see you there. Love you, bye!